Congress had 17 MLAs. The Congress broke into pieces.
Mencaha ka arpo terik unai wiang arhajar arpo u President ka NPP u Conrad ke Sangma uloong baka jingkop ka TMC bantawe ka Sorkar haka jilla Meghalaya kalong kumbapho Sniew Ruma ya kabam lalong haba jubab ya ka jingkali kinong Thaw kubor u Conrad uloong baka TMC ka day ka basuyo ya ki MLA na ka Congress Henry Minta ki MLA jongka kin pralut namar kindon ki banyaso siya ka NPP bat ki wei ki seng san pertheiru uloong baka jinglong jingman ka san perthei ha Meghalaya kapau baki patba kim pediang ya ka TMC kumba kalawan yu kejat teng kam mensuaru.
Congress had 17 MLAs. The Congress broke into two pieces, and from that came out TMC, and half remained in Congress and half in TMC. So opposition already is divided. The trust and the confidence of the people that united opposition is not there is already making a doubt in the people's mind that whether these opposition parties can actually perform or not, because they are not united anymore. They've broken into half. Number two, after the TMC and Congress broke into half, the TMC is further breaking into another half within themselves. Many TMC MLAs are either going to join the NPP or other political parties, and that will happen soon. I don't want to talk about it now. So TMC is going to further break. So I don't know if that is a sign of them getting stronger or them getting weaker. That I leave it to you to decide and people to decide. That's number two. Number three is that the political scenario in the Northeast and in Meghalaya especially, in the current situation, TMC is a party which has just come in a way, though there were some instances in the past that they had come in and they were there, but they could not sustain and it could not build the organization, and hence even today in this particular election the party is not as acceptable as they think they are, and the organization will take a lot of time to build up. So hence, given these situations, given the fact that opposition is broken into 3, 4, 5 pieces, given the fact that TMC is an organization which is new and it will take time to get acceptability in the Northeast, keeping all these factors in mind, it would be wrong to conclude for them or for anybody to say that they are going to be forming a government. I think they should accept the reality. They should see where they stand. That is the first thing for any organization to improve and to improve the organization, is to first accept where they are and then say, look, now we need to work and strengthen ourselves. So the fact that they are already building castles in the air shows that they don't know what is the reality, and they are not being able to build up the organization that they would want, the way they would want to. And so I don't think that the statements being given by them have any strong hold. But nonetheless, as a political leader, as a president of my party, and as a chief minister of the state, I've always maintained that I don't take any opposition lightly. I don't take any opponent lightly. I have always believed that when we fight,